To connect your RGB spotlights to your CNC cutouts, you will receive several different components. First being the power supply. It will be connected to a T that is connected to your controller. You will also receive your RGB spotlight for each CNC piece that you ordered. It will have a short connector, and then it will also have a connector on the other side that already has the extender cable attached to it. To connect the cords, look for the notch and the opening in each side, line them up, push, and then twist them together to lock them in place. You will then take the end of the extension of your first RGB light and connect it to the short end of your next RGB light. You continue to daisy chain them for up to 5 lights. Next, plug your power source into your extension cord. The light on your controller will then turn on, and you will have light automatically turn on to your RGB. Pressing this button on the controller will change the pattern of lights, and you can just continue to scroll through until you find the light pattern that you want.